Stop. Before you throw away your morning coffee grounds, watch this. What you're about to see is a literal gold mine hiding in plain sight. While everyone else is throwing this away, smart entrepreneurs are building profitable businesses every single month. This isn't theory. This is the 2026 agricultural revolution happening right now in basements, garages, and small urban spaces. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. Here's what nobody is telling you. Traditional farming is dying. Expensive land, unpredictable weather, massive overhead costs. But there's a loophole in the system, a hidden arbitrage opportunity that's perfectly positioned for 2006. We're talking about the coffee waste arbitrage. The coffee waste arbitrage, every single day coffee shops throw away tons of nitrogen-rich spent grounds. Literally tons. In the United States alone, over 11 billion tons annually. In your city, thousands of pounds every single day. And here's the kicker. Coffee shops often pay to have this hauled away as waste. But this waste is actually premium substrate for growing the most profitable crops in 2026. Gourmet mushrooms. Why is 2026 the perfect time for this? 3 massive market shifts are converging right now. First, the organic and sustainable food market is exploding. Consumers are willing to pay premium prices for eco-conscious products. Mushrooms grown from waste, that's a story that sells itself. Urban farming is no longer a niche. It's mainstream. Cities are incentivizing local food production. You can do this in a basement, garage, or spare room. Third, traditional agricultural supply chains are broken. Direct-to-consumer models are winning. You can sell directly to chefs, farmers markets, and health-conscious consumers at premium pricing. This is the arbitrage. Free raw materials, minimal space, maximum value creation. Now let's get into the actual system. The mycelium blueprint. This isn't complicated. You don't need a science degree. You just need to follow the process. Step 1. Strain selection. Not all mushrooms work with coffee substrate. You want 2 champions. Oyster mushrooms, fast-growing, aggressive colonizers. Heat-tolerant, lion's mane, premium pricing, high demand, medical benefits. Slightly slower, but worth the investment. Modifying no try-time nutrients to use the ulcer, and they're basest for coffee substrate. These strains are specifically optimized for coffee substrate. They thrive on the nitrogen content. Step 2. Pasteurization. Here's the genius part. Fresh coffee grounds come out hot. That residual heat is your pasteurization. Collect grounds within 2-4 hours of brewing. They're still warm enough to kill competing organisms. Add to your growing container while still warm. The heat does the work for you. Zero energy cost. Step 3. Inoculation. Mix your mushroom spawn with the pasteurized grounds. The ratio is simple. 5 parts coffee grounds, 1 part mushroom spawn. Mix thoroughly, seal in grow bags or containers. The mycelium will colonize in 10-14 days. You'll see white fuzzy growth taking over the dark brown substrate. This is your transformation beginning. Here's where this gets really powerful. You don't need a farm. You need maybe 50 square feet. Vertical fruiting chambers. Think vertical fruiting chambers. Each shelf becomes a growing zone. You can stack 5-6 shelves in a 6-foot-high unit. Each shelf holds 4-6 grow bags. One shelving unit can produce significant yields monthly from just a 2x 4-foot footprint. Climate control for 2026. This is where 2026 technology makes this easy. Smart sensors monitor humidity and temperature around the clock. Affordable devices available online. Automated humidifiers maintain 85% humidity. Set it and forget it. Small fans for air circulation. Mushrooms need fresh air exchange. Blue LED light strips for 12 hours daily. Mushrooms need light to pin properly. Total setup is surprisingly affordable and accessible. CO2 management. Mushrooms exhale CO2 too much, and they get long, skinny stems. Not ideal for premium quality. Solution. Small exhaust fan on a timer. 15 minutes every 2 hours. Fresh air in, CO2 out. Perfect fruiting conditions. This is precision farming in a basement. Now we get to the quality part. Harvesting premium results. Timing is everything. Harvest at peak maturity. For oysters, when caps just start to flatten. For lion's mane, when spines are about 1 centimeter long. Too early, lower weight. Too late, reduced quality. Peak timing equals maximum weight times premium quality. Packaging for premium positioning. This matters more than you think. Presentation is everything. Use compostable packaging. Craft paper boxes or biodegradable containers. Add a label. Grown from upcycled coffee grounds. sustainably cultivated. That story adds value. You're not just selling mushrooms, you're selling sustainability. Consumers pay premium prices for that story. Distribution strategy. This is where most people miss the opportunity. Don't go through distributors. They take significant margins. Direct to chef is where the value is. Maximum value. Restaurant chefs value gourmet oysters and lion's mane highly. Your production costs remain low while quality commands premium pricing. Build relationships with 510 local restaurants. Deliver twice weekly. Consistent orders, no middlemen. Farmers markets are your second channel. Direct to consumer. Even better positioning. Online direct sales through Instagram or local Facebook groups. Premium pricing, immediate transactions. Once you've proven the system works, it's time to scale. This is where small operations become sustainable businesses. Scaling for 2026 and beyond. Strategic coffee partnerships. Stop collecting grounds manually. Build partnerships. Approach coffee shop managers with this pitch. I'll pick up your grounds for free. You save on waste disposal, I turn it into sustainable products. Win-win. Start with 2-3 shops. That's enough for substantial weekly volume. More than enough to produce significant monthly yields. The secondary value stream, here's the bonus after you harvest mushrooms. You have spent substrate, that dark, nutrient-rich material, it's premium biofertilizer. Gardeners and urban farmers will purchase it. Package it as premium mushroom compost, pre-composted and ready to use. Attractive pricing for organic gardening enthusiasts. You're creating value twice from the same coffee grounds. Once for mushrooms. This is closed-loop value optimization. Modular expansion. Don't build one big operation, build modular units. Each shelving unit is a module. Each module generates consistent monthly production. Start with one module, prove it works, add module 2, then 3, then 4. By module 5, you're running a substantial operation. By module 10, you're managing a full-scale business from a garage or basement. No additional building costs. Just replicate the system. The 2026 opportunity, here's what most people don't see. In 2026, sustainable food systems are becoming legally required in many markets. Coffee shops need solutions. Restaurants are required to source sustainable ingredients. You're positioned at the intersection of both needs. You solve waste problems, you provide premium sustainable food, you create value from both sides. This isn't just a business. This is future-proof sustainable enterprise. Let's talk real investment and returns. No hype, just practical breakdown. The real investment breakdown? Startup investment. Metal shelving units, modest investment. Humidifier, reasonable. Minimal LED light strips. Cost-effective initial mushroom spawn. Small investment grow bags and supplies. Basic materials, total startup. Very accessible entry point. Monthly operating costs, coffee grounds, free. Mushroom spawn, replenishment only. Electricity, minimal increase. Packaging, basic materials, total monthly costs. Very low overhead. Monthly production, 5. Module system, substantial oyster mushroom yields premium lion's mane production. Bonus spent substrate compost. Total monthly value creation significant. Net value creation, excellent margin business. This produces more than enough to justify the time investment. From coffee waste, from a spare room. And this scales linearly. 10 modules, substantially increased production, from waste to sustainable income stream. This is the opportunity of 2026. So here's your decision point. You can keep seeing coffee grounds as waste. Keep paying for expensive groceries. Keep waiting for the perfect business opportunity. Or you can start this week. Your action plan, step 1. This week, visit 3 local coffee shops. Ask for their spent grounds. Most will give them away happily. Order mushroom spawn online. Arrives in 3-5 days. Buy 1 metal shelving unit. Readily available. Step 2. Week 2. Collect grounds. Inoculate. Start your first grow bags. Set up basic climate control. Document your process. Step 3. Week 4. Harvest your first mushrooms. Approach 2 restaurants. Show them your product. Make your first transaction. Step 4. Week 6. Reinvest into Module 2. Scale your operation. from coffee waste to production in 6 weeks. This isn't theory. People are doing this right now, in basements, in garages, in spare bedrooms. The coffee is being thrown away anyway. The market demand is there. The value creation is real. The only question is, will you be the one who capitalizes on it? 2026 is your year. The waste stream is your opportunity. Start today. Traditional farming said you need land, tractors, and massive capital. 2026 says you need coffee grounds, a shelf, and commitment. The agricultural revolution isn't happening on farms, it's happening in cities, in small spaces, with waste streams. This is your opportunity to be early, to build something sustainable, to create value from what everyone else throws away, from coffee waste to sustainable enterprise. That's the 2026 blueprint, turn waste into value. Start today. If this opened your eyes to the opportunity, subscribe for more 2026 sustainable business strategies. Comment below, starting this week if you're taking action. Share this with someone who needs to see it. The coffee grounds are waiting. The market is ready. Your move. Let's turn waste into value together.